Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that SpaceXcoin. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, SpaceXcoin is a community-driven meme token deployed on BNB chain as a BP20 digital assets. The project is built around a space inspired by identity that combines internet meme culture, community participation, and a recognizable visual themed centered on space exploration, rockets, and digital communities. SpaceX Coin was launched on August 10, 2026. The token is designed to function primarily as a community-oriented crypto assets, with its ecosystem focused on social engagement, community-generated content, memes, digital campaigns, and the continued development of the SpaceX coin. SpaceX coin is not affiliated with SpaceX. It is about meme and culture. SpaceX coin total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion SpaceX coin. SpaceX coin is listed on PancakeSwap V2, Uniswap V4 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.